Hello everyone. Today, Ivy and I are going to make lunch. First, we need some lettuce. Ivy, do we have lettuce?
Yes, we do.
Thank you. Do we have carrots?
No, we don't.
That's okay. How many tomatoes do we have?
Let's see. 1, 2. We have 2 tomatoes.
Okay, let's cut the lettuce and tomatoes. There, a delicious salad. Ivy, how much salad dressing do we have?
We have some.
Okay. Now, we have a lot of bread. Do we have cheese?
Yes, we do.
Let's put the cheese between the bread and grill it in a frying pan. Grilled cheese sandwiches. Yum! Thank you for helping me, Ivy. Do you want one?
Yes, please.
Help yourself.